Hello! Do you want to get all the features of CapCut Pro for free without cracking and 100% legally? You are in the right video. This video works for both PC and phone. If the video works for you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Well, the first step would be to uninstall the current version we have of CapCut. Then go to Google and search for CapCut old version. And click on this one. Here we will have all the old versions of CapCut, but to choose the version that has the free Pro functions, we will do the following. Click on See More. And then we will download the version 1.4.0.188, which is from January 20th, 2023. Now open the installer and wait. One important thing, if at any time CapCut asks you to upgrade to a new version, just say no. And that's it. You are all set. If the video helped you, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.